Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I am opening some Happy Mail as well as an entry. This was sent to me by Leilani, and she is Jimmy Lani Creations on YouTube and I think on Instagram. I'm not quite sure. But she sent me this beautiful box, you guys, filled with goodies as well as her entry. Look at this box. Isn't this the coolest box ever? It has like a little lid. So cool. She decorated the whole outside. I did take out our information, but she put cute little stickers all around the box. Look at those fun stickers in the back. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much. And then you guys, look at the lid. How cute is this? It says, "Hello Lily, congrats on your 5K subscribers. Hope you have fun and your channel grows and reaches the stars. Happy crafting, Jimmy Lani Creations, Leilani. P.S. Hope you like it." I absolutely love it. She put these cute little shaker stickers. And you guys, how cute is this? You see what she put here? This is a pen. How adorable is this? Look, you guys. I love this. Thank you so much. This is so cute. And it's in my favorite color. So I'm going to move the box a little over and start placing down the stuff there. I did take a peek, so there's tissue papers that have been opened. But you guys, I think she makes these, she hand makes these and sells these. Well, I'm not sure if she doesn't sell them, but you guys, look at this beautiful like masquerade mask. Isn't this gorgeous? I need to move the box over completely. You guys, look how beautiful. I've never had one of these, and handmade, it's even more special. Look at all the detail, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? And then it has like these tassels right here, like trim. And it's made by her. So it's Leilani Manson Creations. I'm not sure if she sells them, but I'll put her information down below. But they are gorgeous. Thank you so much for this, Leilani. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I absolutely love it. And that is my niece's name, Leilani. Next couple of goodies that she sent me. Wrapped up in here. Super cute. She sent me this little sequence mix. Loving the stars. She packaged it up super cute. And you guys, check out this super cool spoon. It's like rainbow and it's a mermaid. Where did you find this? This is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this so much. When I saw this, I nearly flipped. Oh, I want to put it back in here. So beautiful. Thank you so much for sending it to me. It's gorgeous. Let's move the tissue paper on this side. She sent me so many goodies. And we have another one. I'm saving all these tissue papers because they're so cute. You guys, she sent me a bath bomb. And it's a unicorn. And it's like pink and orange. It says, "Treat me." When I got Leilani's package, I was coming out of work, but I wasn't feeling well. I was feeling really dizzy. So I had my wife open it and just like show me stuff. But you know when you're just like dizzy and you have a headache, you're just in and out. I feel like I wasn't enjoying the stuff or like paying attention to what she was showing me. So now I get to actually see everything really good. But I do remember what she sent. But that day I was just out of it. My wife was the one enjoying the whole package. She was the whole, ooh, ah, ooh. You guys, check this out. I have never seen this. This is by Martha Stewart. And it's ribbon trim. Like, this is like some velvet flowers. And look, the famous leaf trim. It's in green and then like a little neon green. And then those little velvet flowers in different colors. Never seen this. Do not own this. Thank you so much, Leilani. That is so cool. Let me see. One is... You guys, this is 2011. Martha did the whole thing before anybody did. Wow. Look at that. See, everything comes back around. Everything comes full circle. Because she did this back in 2011 and now we're in 2018. And Maggie Holmes is doing it. You see it all over the craft stores. Leaf trim everywhere. She also sent me this super cute keychain. Look at this little fluffy keychain. I love it. And I love the teal blue. And there's some washi here because I think she had it attached to something. So many goodies, you guys. So she sent me, let me show you this first. These super cute stickers that I've never seen. And I think they're Dollar Tree because it says Jot. And I think that that's a Dollar Tree brand. But I've never seen these. Look at those colors. But it gets better, you guys. Look. How amazing is that? I love these. These will definitely be hoarded because I don't own another one. When I don't own a second one, they need to be hoarded. But you guys, check this little kit that she sent me. She sent me this little kit. It's the Sweet Shop stationery. You get 16 stationery sheets and envelopes plus stickers. This is so cute. I love the packaging. So I want to open it because I didn't see it inside. And I want to see what it looks like. The stickers, you guys. So cute. Oh, look at the envelopes. They have like these little scalloped edges. Do you guys see that? So cute. You get some yellow ones, some pink ones, some green ones, and some blue ones. And then, of course, your little stationery sheets where you like write. This is the little design in the front. And then you write in the back. This is so cute. Look at the designs. I've never seen this either. This is adorable. I absolutely love this. So cute. I love cutesy stuff. I don't know why. Sometimes I just buy stuff for the packaging and it's just like, just because it looks cute, you want to like purchase it. Am I alone on that? Like cute stuff like this. Like, I don't really take baths like that. Like, just not to have, I don't really have the time to like lay in my bath and do any of that. I love to do it, but I don't really have that time. But you see something packaged up like this or shaped in a unicorn, I'm like, yep, I need it. Totally need that. That's just how my mind thinks. Okay, I want to save her entries for last. She also made me some super cute little banners. Look at these banners. And I love the colors because they go with anything that I make. They'll go perfect. Super cute. Thank you. And then, still more, you guys. I'm just taking off the confetti so it doesn't go everywhere. She sent me some stickers. She sent me these cute little unicorn shaker stickers, which I don't own. So fun. And then she sent me these girl boss, you are strong. She believed she could, so she did. It's a girl thing. Fierce, you go girl. I've never seen these either. Are these like from Hobby Lobby? So cute. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, we have the little, I know what she gave me, so I remember these. She gave me a bunch of little brads inside these little, and little, like trinkets. So she gave me a bunch of little stars and little gems, hearts, in this one. This one is tiny little square brads. This one is star brads. And this one is silver stars. Like a little chunky, like a cloud star, if that makes any sense. Thank you for those. She sent me some ribbon. I love this ribbon. I have some of this and now I have some backups. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, there's one more. She sent me the peach one. And she sent me the 3 colors that I purchased. So I have a backup for all 3. I actually have it right here. So I am so happy that I now have a backup. And you guys, she put so much confetti. You see that? How cute is that? Can you guys see? I don't know if it's too dark. It's like about to pour. And look, you guys, she sent me these little gems. I didn't see these. They're super cute and delicate. Love it. I'm definitely going to save the mix because her mix is so beautiful. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Definitely packaging it up and saving it. But now, you guys, let's look at her entry. She sent her entry in here. And first we're going to look at her handmade card. And look at this card, you guys. Super cute. Another like stamped image, you guys. I swear all my entries have been like stamped images. And I love to see how you guys color them and like detail them. Look at this cute little banner she did. She did her own envelope. And that's her handmade card. And this is her memory decks card. Isn't that cute? I love how she did the little gold thread, like the eyelash trim, I mean, in the back of this little rosette. Same little unicorn. I love it. I love the little hill. Like the little trim die here. And then she has her information in the back. Her card. A little pocket. Super cute. And then, of course, I think she wrote me a card. Is this one? Let me see. Oh, this is my card. No, this is a little folder she made me. Look at this, you guys. Isn't this adorable? She put a bunch of little stickers. Oh, thank you so much, Leilani. That's so cute. I love this little folder. It's like a little mini. Super cute. Oh my gosh, you spoiled me, Leilani. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do all this. I love your entry. Thank you so much for entering. And you guys, that's it for this video. Definitely go check out Leilani. I'll have her link down below. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.